Welcome to the molecular exercise and energetic pull of pulling yourself back together. Pulling yourself into completeness, wholeness, and into the potent, creative, infinite being you actually be. Lie down, close your eyes. Invite the space that we have been cultivating with no judgment, with no blinders, with no barriers, to be. Allow your body into the conversation. Exhale fully, feel your body, sense your body against the surface it's on, your hands on top of it somewhere. And again, allow your being to expand bigger, 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 more, 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 as big as you can go so that you and your body have peace and possibility. Get infinite. So often when we pull in our capacities or pull in energy, we make ourselves solid to have a point to pull things to. What if that was a lie? Pulling energy, pulling your energetic capacities back to wholeness isn't pulling into fixedness or contraction. It's pulling into the subtleties, variances, layers, and depths of space, energy, and consciousness that you and your body can possess and do possess. So as big as you can actually be, as present with you, the being, and your sweet body as you can possibly be, start to tickle, to shake, to awaken, to tap on all of your capacities, all of the energies that can create for you, all of the ways of being that can create for you, all of your skills, all of your talents, all of the ways in which you make other people's lives easier, more fun, more expansive. Could you actually allow all of those things to show themselves to you? Not through the filter of other people's judgments or their perception, but the energies of what you gift to others that you can amp up, utilize for you and for greater creation. Tickle and awaken all the things that are so easy and fun for you that you've discounted them all your life. Tickle, awaken, sparkle into aliveness, all of the magical capacities, all of the ability to ask and receive, all of the ability to be and receive, and all of your abilities, capacities, talents, and skills to utilize all of that and more in the walking, talking creation of your life, your living, your body, your finances, your businesses, and beyond. As far out as you need to go to start tickling, awakening and sparkling those possibilities, enlivening them, awakening them, stoking them, stroking them, spherically in all direction, not just what's in front of you, not just what's behind you, left or right, up or down, but everywhere. I'd like you to expand your energy beyond all of that into the farthest reaches of the universe, deep into the core of the earth, deep into this reality and the reality, pulling from everything. Reach more and more and more. Now pull energy from all of those sources through all of your capacities, all of your talents, all of your abilities, all of your energy, spaces, and consciousness, pull, 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 pull into the entity of your life and living. Pull, 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 pull. Reclaiming parts and pieces of you that have been fragmented and shut off. Shut down, barriered off, undiscovered, unexplored. Pull universal earth energy, humanoid energy, magical energy, light, space, consciousness, through all of that. Pulling them all towards you and the entity of your life and your living. So that you become not just a spacious, infinite being, but a capable, creative, active one as well. Pulling all the layers, the breaths, developing the variances of you, pulling in the awarenesses of other lifetimes where you were highly creative and capable and different and amazing and expressive. Pulling in all the awarenesses from the lifetimes where you weren't. Pulling in all of the awareness that will actually serve you now and into the future. Every lifetime you had a capacity, pull it in. Everything you've ever created as an infinite being, pull it in. Stoke it, enliven it, allow it to continue to generate. How big can you be? How vibratory alive can you be with you as the complete, infinite, and whole being that you actually are? And anything that doesn't allow you to be, know, perceive, receive, claim, own, and acknowledge, and choose it, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And can you make the request of the universe and the demand of yourself to allow this process to continually generate and create for you, to continue to unravel, to unfurl, to unleash everything you got, and for you to actually start exploring how to use it for its greatest and most joyful possibility, creation. As you move about the day, how big can you be? How bold can you be? And how whole can you be when you pull yourself into the wealth of being?